Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, me there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that caught my attention. First things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a man trying to stand on his own 2 feet. Now, based on some things that I saw in the video and in my point of view, the man who was trying to stand on his own 2 feet lost his balance and fell. And based on some things that a person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that the man was drinking. The same person said other things in the video too as well, no viewers and subscribers. And I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
On to party dog. Party. Yo, that's real. Yo, you know you know man. Oh! Then you carry man for your bike, brother.
Give me.
Give me. I where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Watch the road. Watch out. Watch it.
Man, that's your phone, brother.
Yo, the man no in no road, man.
Brother, tell me can't go on then. Me can't get to. I no bother with no clock.
So damn you can't man so far and you know Jabba.
Where man live?
Yes, I just saying go.
No, just saying tell me say I go, brother.
No man, a schoolboy man wait for him to come.
So you help me man, you do that video.
Help what? Are you me come to
So why you put me in that video?
You know the part of video.
Hey, man, get on, brother. No man, make good.
Watch out, watch him man.
No, me G, look here. Match up now.
I'm selling this.
The right foot is dead. So it's the left foot now. Oi.
So nice, I dropping all the key foot. How go?
Man, you don't drink all night. Alright. Oi.
Muffle up on the bike, then I had to know.
Match up, put on the
Yo, let me almost laugh.
Yo, match up, boost. Put up our woman. Voila, give me a minute. Match up, go one leg. You see you? Match up, go on. Meji, voila, give me one. No. Over here.
Yo,
Match up. Move your blood. No.
Alright, my people, I am not going to act like I'm perfect. You see me I say? But I will always try my best to never do anything that would make me end up in a way where I am not able to stand on my own 2 feet. No. Me I go try my best not to. Anyways, my people, and to another topic, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is getting a little buzz on social media. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show how 2 police officers treated a person who was on a motorcycle. Allegedly, it is said that the person was not complying with the police, and allegedly, it is believed that the person was trying to evade the police. However, police held that person. The video shows a hostile situation, viewers and subscribers. The video shows when police pulled the person from off of a motorcycle. The video shows when police officers tried to remove that person's 2 feet from off the ground so that the person would lay on the ground. The video is being talked about on social media for quite a number of reasons, and based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Well, clearly that man is not a black man that those police officers apprehended.
Other ass. So did I do that? Oh, run him, run.
Okay. Alright, my people. You know, me can't help but wonder, why is it that you have some police officers who have a problem when they're being video recorded while they're on the job? So me I say, I mean, to all the world still nowadays, camera, they're at so many places. You see me I say, you have surveillance cameras, I mean, your phone. You see me I say, my people, it no matter which race you are from, viewers and subscribers, law are law and police are police. The way our police do things in your country might be somewhat different from how police do things in other countries out there worldwide. You see it? Yeah. And you know, it's good to comply with the police. And if police do something that you think might be illegal, then you can make a complaint to the necessary authorities. Alright? Anyways, my people, the situation there we see in the video look hostile. I have much confirmed information about the situation that you can see in that video. But you can let me know what you think about the things that you saw in that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle was about to be taken away by a wrecker. I mean, some things have been strapped to the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, and those things are somewhat connected to the wrecker. The video shows police officers, and some of the things that I saw and heard in the video make me feel away, viewers and subscribers. Based on some things that a person who you can see and hear in this video said to one person, I got the understanding that the person said that he might go lock up the bus and that he want for taking things them from out of the bus, viewers and subscribers. Saying, on a real, some things when I see and hear in the video make me feel away, but based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can let me know what you think. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Me not happy, daddy happy.
Traffic yard. Can I come here? No, I
turn the car.
Yeah, so those are the videos that caught my attention recently, viewers and subscribers. See? And here are my final words when it comes on to those videos. You see? For the first one, don't do anything that will make you reach to the point where you can't even stand on your own 2 feet. I know so that certain things can happen that will make you become somewhat weak, you know, like illness and so. That's a different thing. But don't do anything that can cause you to become to the point where you're not able to stand on your own 2 feet. No, don't do that. See? Secondly, it's good to comply with the police, viewers and subscribers. See? And if police do certain things that are not legal, then you can make your complaint to the necessary authorities. You understand? Yeah, but when you don't comply with the police, things can get bad for you. Sometimes you can have your right in your hands and dash it away. See? Yeah, when it comes on to the final video, overall, I just feel away for who's ever won that motor vehicle. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall, skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.